Hey everyone, my name is Shilpa and welcome back. In today's video, I'm really excited to take you behind the scenes of one of the favorite part, that is design process. How we get inspired. People often ask where your design ideas come from, and the truth is inspiration doesn't appear magically. It's something we actively search for, collect, then carefully shape into something meaningful for each and every project. So, to make this real, I'll walk you through the process we followed while designing for Fafadia Tech, an IT company that helps small to medium firm grow with efficiency, reliable and competence. Step 1. Start with the brand story. Every design project starts with understanding the brand story because that's where the true inspiration begins. For Fafadia Tech, we begin by asking who is the audience, what emotion do we want to evoke, and what is the bigger mission behind the brand. We learned that Fafadia Tech mission is to empower business through technology, but in a way that's practical, not overcomplicated. So our inspiration had to capture efficiency, trust, and technical competence. This clarity helped us filter everything that came after. It meant that the visuals, tones, and every layout would all reflect that idea. A company that is grounded, reliable, and focused on helping others grow. When your inspiration starts from a story, it's not random, it's intentional. Step 2. Look inside the industry. Once we understand the brand story, we turned our attention to industry landscape. We started by exploring our IT service providers, analyzing what pattern existed in their design language. For example, we noticed that many IT websites use blue tones to convey professionalism. Layouts are usually clean and modular, focusing on information hierarchy. Icon, grids, and data visuals are common elements to communicate technology and clarity. Now, we don't do this to copy anyone. We do it to understand the visual baseline, what users are already familiar with. If we know what's common, we can decide where to stay consistent and where to make the pattern to stand out. So, for Fafadia Tech, we look for inspiration from industry norms, but decide to make the brand feel more personal and human-centered, something approachable, not technical. Step 3. Go beyond industry. When it comes to getting inspiration, we don't limit ourselves to the IT industry. Sometimes the best design ideas come from unexpected places, like how an e-commerce site organizes its product filter or how a wellness brand uses a calm color palette. For Fafadia Tech redesign, we explore design patterns from modern SaaS platforms, tech startups, and even a creative studio. This helps us mix professionalism with approachability because even though we are an IT company, we want visitors to feel both trust and warmth the moment they land on the page. Step 4. Everyday inspiration. I have learned that inspiration isn't found online. It's all around us. Sometimes it's in a way an airport sign help you find your way so effortlessly, or how a magazine layout balances text and images beautifully. As a designer, we stay curious, always observing how information and visual interact in real life. For Fafadia Tech redesign, a simple product label inspired our use of clean spacing and balanced typography. Once you start seeing design everywhere, you realize the world is the biggest mood board. Step 5. Collecting and curating. Now let's talk about the part where all the inspirations start coming together. Curation. Collecting ideas is easy. The real skill is filtering them and organizing them. For Fafadia Tech, we created a shared mood board using a Figma. We pinned everything that matches our design direction. Color themes, UI layout, shapes, and even a subtle micro interaction. But then comes the crucial step, we curated. We removed everything that didn't align with the brand story of efficiency and reliability. What remains was focused visual library, a mix of technology-driven inspiration balanced with warmth and simplicity. This curated collection became our North Star throughout the design process. Step 6. Turning inspiration into action. Inspiration only matters when it becomes something real. After collecting ideas from different industries and design style, we began turning them into wireframe layouts and color tests. For Fafadia Tech redesign, our goal was to mix trust and strength of tech design with the clean look of modern website. We tried many design options, changing font, button, placement and layout until we created a design that not only looked good but also showed who we are, efficient, reliable and skilled. So that's how we get inspiration. It's the journey that starts with brand story. Look within and beyond the industry, draw from everyday life, and finally translate ideas into design actions. When we designed for Fafadia Tech, every choice from layout to colors came from the process of intentional exploration because inspiration is everywhere. But what truly matters is how you filter them and make it your own. That's what turns good ideas into a great idea. Thank you.